Hello there, the recovery guru here. Today we have an urgent diagnostic on this external Transcend external hard drive. The customer says that when he plugs in the cable is wobbly and the USB connector only works if it's being forced. So as you can see here, the USB connector, indeed, it is broken. So normally it should be soldered in here, but because of something that has happened, it's broken here. So we connected, here's an adapter, the drive mounts, and the files are accessible. However, we think that the drive is not in great shape. It possibly sustained some kind of physical shock, which is what's causing an additional problem other than this USB connector being an issue. So it should be okay, it's accessible, but it's not in great shape. The drive should probably be cloned. So yeah. So we have mounted the drive, light is off, and now we are going to disconnect.